Gaiga ase ogokora gutwara eshere ya gotema noyo mta CEO atebire gosimeka chinsu na kogenderera kotebia abantu ba minto nga kuri chinsu mbuya akato kuri chinsu temine tinga ntori chinyeni usentonyo mabere ya iye minute nga pamoja nendagere yendionsi chinsu na chirozi nechingia mono ase afya yaitu iseke ke mombe kuro kwa white meat itogoteba abantu bari chinsu okoria na ogokora ebiasara goetera ase oburimi bwe chinsu
abuna kwaigwa epare ko gwayagenda nyabiore tubwatie stogokorere giasara abani ne togo chaga twararama asengecho twaburiya stogokorere giasara na kimono umugambi tomo isimigwe ito mbiya mono asegasi ogokora yasago seni ogenderera igo mbiya mono
chibuti twakabekire twarusiringa nene singecho gwaja abaga bagete chibuti lakini ndene bono gokogenda tonyorega magenche otoreri nanime abangina baito abakweyu bagateba kwara asengeche pale borete tobagotwe aki asogwanja kwawo ora nyore kende oyerengereri twarwete proposal mwishimi uno ara nabwate ebintu ebyo and I hope somewhere in the office odigererie otokonya sokonyara totale wanja gakyo tobegere kitangi beralia na arori wakorire gente kijege kone mwira nya gitari na into otomigere chipaye kuitato abantu nabasibe yenyanya ainamaya
that market that was Mintomoi. This was the design in the entire county. But I feel it should be modified. So that Navali are clear, Kimbraya Tule, like a Mamali. Number two, and as I get to be only the Vagachamari, then you only watch money to Viamo, Bagenda. Asaya, we have a dispensary across Munogari, which I have already requested you ever upgraded to the level 4 hospital in this region. So we can serve the Maasai, we can serve our people here. And I think you have accepted, as you told me when we are there, that facility, so that we have it as a level 4. Na itwa ngorwe sanga ni shiringi tukini obonya gitari obweni wase gitari. And as a Magenche now propose the biggest hospital in this region.
Pero mheshimiwa Rukwana na abantu benka bakwanira igende batebire ne kibara gose bono kibara zaregete inje muno muwasiri we kibara your excellence munakuwa ngoda in the next 1 week goja katole cross kibara and his excellency is going to launch them ese Magenche gantu bade bare gorukia bugesi nyabate omosowa eje kujorosi gojakire wiki egoja. Your Excellency, if I didn't go to a story, and the Mata Banya Biole, Land Rock, Omoshimiwa Nabeka Chiparang is a Noibere, Ujaka Korosia in the next financial year.
Thing in Jumoma, I think of Coranango. They are not get the Monta Manyanango Chan. Ekabanen, Kedinate, Bungaki, okay, and then they change to get it one of the Damite was single Jano Corner Mom. I think a me, come Navatano. Ndolenga chinsio correct chikorosi. This is an area whose economy is driven by agriculture. The reason why we deliberately chose to hold this celebration here. Aquaculture is in fishing, farming, do to supplement the natural supply of fish. It was first introduced in Kenya in 1920s. By the colonial government to improve food production and nutrition in rural areas. The Aquaculture Day is marked every 20th May of every year in Kenya to bring together aquaculture traders to showcase their innovative and exchange knowledge and skills since it was falling on a Saturday. We decided again as a country to hold it today. I know that the theme for this year's celebration is promoting sustainable aquaculture for blue economic growth. This theme resonates with the conservation we are having as a member of the Lake Region Economic Bloc as we look towards employment and wealth creation. In KISII County, we have a total of 2,172 fish farmers and about 2,300 operational bonds with an annual fish production of approximately 17 metric tons. For long, fish farmers have encountered many challenges. These includes inadequate, high quality and affordable fish feed, weak research extension farmer, poor security of fish in bond and cage, inadequate readily available fish fingerlings, and insufficient fish marketing system. Very few people in KISII County consume it. Statistics shows that our approximately of 317 metric tons of fish is traded in our local market. Enke mwaigwa bantu the gentleman the DCC, samaki ilikuwa inajulikana kama nyoka, si ndio? Lakini samaki ndugu zetu hawa Wajaluo hapa walikuwa wanapenda, mpaka walikuwa na akili nyingi sana, mpaka inakuwa associated na ukuaji wa nini, wa bongo. Hata sisi tunaendelea kukula, very soon tutakuwa na rais kutoka pande hii, don't worry you guys. Huko chinzubu ya rasma na wale president ndio okega. Ndio wanaenda. Igo gorenzwe tugenzwe umwana urabara baskobe president. Nk'abantu ayiga gusi bagesire chinzu cyamira chimiliyoni sana umutinyo wege. Ona ngane kondo kale okoraralia. Amaji na arole kawo tirimbukaga ataliko swandons. Yani ebinde busa. Yani mutaye toje tokole tusabege tokole miujiza mumaye wanje. Miujiza teyo. Andi nabakane miujiza tiyereke kuruigo ras mobe miujiza ayo mwenyene. Tuiwana ini. Manyomo waka vunolia chinsu chirikia yeli bweyemo 1000 naoni shilingi 150 tigachiri 200 chief officer yakwa 150 emetinye tano it's 150,000 ukoli mulo mushahara wechai naende no ane emete kwire myaka 5 ebere kwama indika uraro sibeseke Nensu is only 6 months. Abantu bamindurazi matolengere risko bali mwegetange na roche. Imubeka chindanji ninga macha ko swaga asonya lebe aswaka ko chimoino agenda chikoswaru. Ibaka macha aya akogenda mpaka hogere abantu betu mu cyandegitega.